Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this super cute Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So this Louis Vuitton has double top handles. You can see attached to these handles here we've got the little Louis Vuitton cloche, leather cloche with those two keys there, and they do actually go with a padlock as well, but I'll show you that when I show you what the rest of the bag comes with. On the bottom we've got 4 base studs. I'll open it up and show you the inside. So we've got a double zip pull closure, and then in there just got that one compartment and then flat pocket there. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very good. As you can see, those corners are still beautiful. Show you that corner as well. And overall, just looks very nice still in very nice condition. The only reason we've called it very good is just on the front here. See on this leather here, there's a little bit of marking just along there, but other than that, still looks beautiful. Interior we've called excellent. There's nothing for me to say about the interior. There's no marks or stains or anything like that. Still in very nice condition. Inside, hardware we've called fair. I'll just show you these bits first. So these kind of on the handles still look okay, but you can see just these little studs with Louis Vuitton embossed on them. There's just a couple of little scratches here and there. I'll show you this one. A little bit of a scratch on there. And these base studs have a bit of wear to them as well. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. But as base studs do, they've just got signs of wear to them. It's usually kind of the first place to go, but it still looks very nice. It's a very cute bag. Bag lovers, while you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what this bag comes with. So I think this is a great little one for a gift because it comes with loads of little bits. So we've got Louis Vuitton box, of course the Louis Vuitton dust bag as well, and then we have a removable strap, and I'll show you that on the bag when I show you the size of it. But we've also got this little Louis Vuitton tiny little bag, this little pouch, and that's got the Louis Vuitton padlock in it as well that goes with those keys and the cloche on the bag. Also we have Louis Vuitton little sleeve envelope here, and that's got the original receipt in there as well. Another couple of bits to show you. So we've got Louis Vuitton fabric card, just outlines what fabric it is, and we've got the barcode for the bag as well. And then finally, I think this is why it would be quite nice maybe for a little gift, got the Louis Vuitton ribbon attached to this little sleeve here, and then in this sleeve I've got, open it up, little blank envelope. So this is just blank. It's got a little blank card in it as well. There we go. Little blank card that goes in that sleeve. So yeah, I think it's a perfect little gift because it comes with all these exciting little extra bits. So for the size of this bag, exact measurements will be in the link in the description below. Hopefully that link should take you directly to this Louis Vuitton. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, it does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get on. So we get in new bags all the time. So if you send us over an email or fill out a contact form on our website, then we can get you on our request list for this Louis Vuitton or any bag that you fancy as well. If there's anything that you have in mind that you really would like, let us know and we'll get you on that request list. So, as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So if it helps, I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". So, by those double top handles, that's where it would sit on me. It's just so cute. It's such a that little structure. I like the structure of it as well. with those small grab handles as well. It's such a cute little bag. And I'll pop the strap on it as well so you can see what it looked like as a crossbody. So these just go on these little loops here. Got the little buckle, just pop it on the loop. So as a crossbody, that's where it sits on me as well. So maybe if you wanted to have it a little bit more secure, if you're doing a lot of travelling, always on the go, crossbody strap is quite a nice option as well. So for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. You'll find loads more bags on our website as well. And if there's anything that particularly takes your fancy, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, because if you do that, we'll send you through your welcome discount code. So get through that welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy, we would love to see them. So go onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.